tukweta ba investor
abitukweta ba investors bimwe muri byo kusika ba investor kwiza ni cyo bakweta smart city nebero muki nebero mecho bakweta quality of life nebero mu life nungi y'abantu quality of life nateka kuba education nungi obwegese ateka kuba amarwaro marungi ateka kuba harimo let's say emiti climate nungi kera bere zoning industrialization industries bazitakuri production ryoku abashubuzi baryoku aba tax barahariya mwene beriye well organized haze cyo koko bana bakoreshwa kweta smart city index barukuruetinga abashubuza bakureba those investors imbastama bareba hiba kubasa kute sente ku investing mu mahanga nambo yo kubanza mbareba security embera yenseje ryeta could be security na n'ubusingi ebyo berga kureba nkati for example Uganda tu n'ubusingi tu security nungi hatu bareba quality of life abantu batura bata omutahuni harimo bantu bacikaci harimo abayayi because tahuni sibe kubera abantu aba trustworthy nkeshana kugambira including that smart city system yona ko kweri harimo nana ebinte bikushikiriza abantu abo labor biza bateka n'ibintu byambasa kufuna babayambaho quality of people abakoze some factories zabo so atebyo byona ezense ziriyo nizikurakurana nizo ziriyo niziranzya kurga hareveje yiturumbu kushanga tahuni yone jambiri for example nk'ekikubu ekikubu umuntu narga kamwenja pa shopping arga buweja shopping arga chegegwa shopping arga nankagura shopping umukikubu kakubaho mechanism ebintu ebyo abantu abakwizurira nomwe ebintu bakabahika hiho matawuno gabo omuntu arubuweju utakabasa shoppinga nkambara bito gwetahune yambara yetabekanisiibwe je kajya mu this is a shopping area y'abantu bashebwa bihame bintu nikibani nikiyambo gomushubuzo waza kuza mu kikubu ku reducinga cost za transport
tebekine. Let me tell you the popular view ahera popular view niyo kugira ngo what the government is trying to do no kugira ngo umutawuni basigamo bace bari kwebaza abantu abakwasura umuhanda bakaruga cha bujimbi umuntu wakasura umuhanda akaruga umuporoti nyakitundo witu akija kugira ngo agire ciyakora and the same people that are taxable abukubani mashashura there's a way they contribute
true
at kuba kwija bagira ngo tukatwarizwa kubi tutahirwe kire kare kumara na nimye nyitwa kubirene tuzamu okugira ngo you know because let me come wabanoshobora aha what a smart city is. I believe in harumwe no butari very well built government bombekire kurunja munonga government tiremo kiri kwetenjesa wakireba so on surety government ikirizo mu gugwayo eriyo amakanda egatire aha frustratinga abanya Uganda
ter frustration ati ecekeragira ngo nagambara kitwireho actually nk'ekiwa abantu buzo mu kutandika umwamba hati kiyagira mu parliament on floor ya parliament yashanku achendezo mu rombantu but it was not executive order weka bahati ka minister akachendeza kachomo rombantu kunka executive order ebyo bushubuze sebwane bwa prime minister wakure byo bushubuze umuyanga so nchorebere bagera raza mu cabinet entebe babuza what happened atukaraza mu kachomo hariya kunka executive order teregira prime minister therefore process ni gumizamo
wait aboko hata aho nhaza we ebuzo bingi munonga when you say ngu minister akija ya position ya hire keye yenke y'umuntu eketari position ya government yakara araza mu kacomoro isi tantu kore bintu ebyo mwe harho areas of interest areas of interest ico kureberaho nkamatahu n'amahango government nho yabiritira insira mpango kwa twashanga trade order ne kwata the whole of Uganda actually trade order yo mbichweka bishatu area emuchweke cha ligu abukuba waza kubano operating a business ro bwana humushoro ligo oyino kubano operating ro mwanya ugurukumanywa that is ligo oyino kubano kurigana n'abantu mburungi ligari then umuringo gwa kabiri kiri economical
abo kushoroza imishoro aba revenue nabamanya bakushanga kuza kushoreza umushoro ningi no manya usemeye kuba roshashora umushoro ubwo n'umuringo gwa kabiri ugwa kashatu kiri philosophical ni emitendere eshatu yo mu trade order philosophical ni bintu cyo wakwasa kugito mwanya iyo nko mushubuzi iyo nko wizo mutahuni icyakuba cyaba kitaramuka kitama nobasa kurebo omishoga nzu yawe otine habaramu umuti ogubyaremo omishoga duka yawe nobasa ko hetenga ho dustbin yo kurundana ebisasuro ebyo kwiha umuduka ugiteho so it's a illegal economical chiri philosophical ejondo trade order itu inamba so mutakaza progo gwano reba Uganda yitura hati nana entungu keriyo mbantu people have money that's why no rebe bizime mbimuka burizo muri mbarum cyo kurebera wano ro muri Kampala
let's say a few people have money haro abantu bacabine sente
echo tingu chumanya konkabanya Uganda abinja bakore ibintu byabo because no basa ndikora president kagira hera kaja even if you can survive mu Uganda umutiro mu rumo kugira ngo uza gukora gutakwe sente because sometimes twine trade barriers ezo kugira ngo hati nyewe ninyenda kuguza kabanda konkati nyine kukaguriza omutahu no mutu kugira ngo abantu babinga mu ngumba babinga mu bukozi nabagaya business zabo no nababa twagira ngo nababinga n'abantu mutahu nabagira ngo bazo mu area eza kubasa kubana ba managingirwamo.
Let's talk about those areas. Listen.
Icyo kurebera ukambara.
Icyo kurebera ukambara. Reka tugambe aha Butare, okay? Turebe aha myanya etirweho according to the plan. Abantu bashimiye kubana bazamu jingambere ne.
Ato okurugera ha physical planning authority. Physical planning authority ni yonka actually ni yonke kirajure kitwine cyo governing trade cyo governing this trade order. Yeah. Ati planning yanegera ngo haseme kwana hazakatare rwe bukora. Cyo kurebera. Ni nkwe cyo kurebera cyambara yawe iki.
Yeah.
Akatare kashobora kazakora norya. Abaseme kwana bazo mukatarabona baye. Because hatunyona azagati ya street na ateka ho chapati. Nate go guvenda rye natambara wiza kugura screen high street. So dujanje mayisangu nani nyenda kugura chapati ndiyo mutahuni esebe kwani zo mu hotel. One hotel eshashora mushoro eshashora ground rent sometimes yizimbe kiyecheye. So oshanga oine address kandi operate legally.
Okay.
Konkana aba ni nyine chapati omudara. Nazo mukatari choma serimani targeting hata barabiza kugura emyenda. Awiza kugura emyenda naona yazira heru. Obwiro bwinjo mukatari. Ayazira hansi yentundu bari ubundi hansi ya tente. Hato gwe nabashashwireho ki umushora ha gukora katujenga mugamo wakatari na shoroza ningo gwa inetenda nikibantu mayisa ngundanye nato ari mudara gwanje gwa chapati ngaguta hari aburazi wero pe sinje nkaye 12 zo mwanya so oshanje government ningasi kurigiro mu trade order mbenyine location eyinkwingana nayo ndagire kureta chapati nesi chapati nunji twone twaza kujukunda konka kugiteko umwanya gutarugo ate njimanisa ngo investor yana yizanko barukoresha kweta ranking of smart city index ina ni kugambira bakashanga street yawe yone zero za chapati hata njimanisa ngo hataho ababa tweta investor bakuza kuba attracted kurete center mu Uganda because it is our target konka kuba abara bashubuza abe sentenche baba ryo umwanya ugwa kwingana nagwe nikiza kuyambogo mugwero gwo kurugeruguru ningo sa kurugahero wizane sentezi abena mangu he has to invest money in Uganda because Uganda is beautiful can in a smart city it organized so government yo kubinga abantu mu mirimo yabo not at all kurekane bagira bazo myanye bakwingana nayo honor and attention kuba ni nyenda kushaba still bakawa bahirama baraha naba primeters aba physical planning abantu barishe kuba kwatso mukono gwicuma because ntureba abantu bimwe bine business you have to get a process katu jeno bendo taho munju enjojo no kujuronda kubanza kujupangisa obwiro bwinyo no shanga na rent wotajini nyoni ngira hakabe habaho some notice kugira ngo hateje myeze ebireji twagihereza rent sache tahuni abantu bo mutaho no mu organizing for those 2 months mwe mwarunziraho kuza ninga simupangisa amaju ninga simu zo mu Butare aza bagaraka bebembeze bagenda bagumiza mbabarondana n'imyanyu mbataro because nchiza for example ngamba rage echo kurebera nkazara bindi hati nke town nkarubindi no mwanya muki ne town nyinshi konka abantu baba binga muntu baza kwera mbutaho no bwito bwazandura za kagonji uko mu nshozi hatushanga no bareta yo disobedience of law by hakane bareta buzu so hati njye bayisa ngo ababanye nabo ku implementing beragirebe they should go ahead bagumizemo bahereza abana abo bwire babarondera imyanya yo kuzama nikiza kuba nkiyamba
bateho options
bateho mwene eteka teke ndizo babagira ngo hati tobabinga bwizbwera tobabinga mutahuni mbara konka ntwe namuze mukora noria akatare katuje nkaruzignete emyanya hwireyo ntubasa kubata katrengerwe bukona katrengo mu central market then n'ikindi habeho tweta metamorphosis of size nimbanye ne business yanje nche kandi ndiko basa kujya ngo ninzo munzu y'emitwaro nk'ikumi for example konka mukama wenju na inde imitwaro kama 10 hato shanga tutineho rent should I call it rent wage kushanga
ekikomo aha oriomu ashikwa na shora ezikinganachi ogu na shora chikwinganachi
at for example katugire nkambara high street washanga nbashashura rent ya miliyoni 5 hato nandu ribindi tinshekwa ni shashora rent ya miliyoni 3 atiste sebiko horevo yo kujanga urubindi shashora mtwaro kashatu then chiyamba umuntu no to manage kutaha umunju so ninjirana no mu trade order mu hine bumwe biseme kongerwamo bukakwaso bwabembezi at least to make a leverage of trade
waza kuba kwaseho kace akataho dakikaza abashatu nishateza ningo muri shansha tuzumobuze gweri zo mujyi wanje ne Vincent Tebekine kandi ugu ni media coordinator which binica NRM hano muchange cyaburangirizo wa Uganda tuganira bwo kwatira n'ibya trade order ibabire bashanka bayemerezamu but the minister okurugirari Vincent na nshobora ngo minister Bahati owagambire ngo nshunga akagigamba kweraza ukacakaro and that's going to be my next question okururu kwa abanya Uganda barizire okutaka okubatakire is the government paying no attention government tekuru kutaka kwa abantu ntubantu shamba gira ngo ayi mukama horo kushaba kwitu no kutaka kwitu kukwicho so my next question is government abantu kuba kutaka obusasi nko bayone barabamu has the government paid attention nehura and what is going on government neteka tekacho kutwara jo mukabumura hano ati stick around, we'll be right back.
There is no margin for error. So much here is familiar.
Over 1,900 games brought us here.
There is not a sporting heat quite like this.
But history doesn't care about the journey.
The Premier League is the best league in the world.
La Liga is far and beyond the biggest winner.
It only remembers how it ends.
You bought it. It's not a word. You bought it.
8 titles. 1 month of mayhem to decide them all.
Outstanding from Patrick Dorgan.
Stay connected and watch DSTV to catch the football season finale this May. It's on.
Waba tukuzise momo noteganisi bizuba liona.
Bro, mwina mka change. Madam mka change. Boda papa.
Yiharo kuteganisi wizuba liona. Kozesa momo app ningashi nyiga *165*3# kushashura na bwanyima oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi ya shirinje 15 agoni gomanyiga momo.
Very well, lebe mno kwasa kwa twegitaho guni murundi ingaka ni kwachira kora bani bo watwegitaho you are a little bit late wa Ferruccio Kechabanza konka tyo tugenda mu misho muri wanje ni Vincent Tebekine media coordinator wa NRM abo change cyabongereza wa Uganda kandi twenda kubasima for the good feedback ituru kutunga okurugo murimwe mwebere munonga tatagambere ndugu RDC Kamagara Godfrey yebere munonga thank you so much for the feedback and abandi the other day I was walking street na buganu umusigazi umushisha mweta Hassan Kariso Riso yagira ati program ejo ningireberamo ibintu bikuru munonga nicheza muneza kwindura ibiro byagenze byihangeri so thank you so much ntwaturiya kuganira ebigambo bagana amajyangwe ebigambo tebita atembulire tefayona so ntugambe ebigambo tukugezeho kutunga answer okumayicana no kushoborokirwa ibintu bitari mu bimwe kugira ngo cyanga kitu kitrukutura mu cya Uganda tukajirira mu businje nabwo n'umwabaze gweri zoba tugamba nshonge kwatirine na trade order yingashicirje cyaretswe kugeza ho okushemeza ningasho kutebekanisa okushoronze kurunje munonga ebimishuburo yitu mu ndembo zitu zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi for starters ubundi kuri betatandikanito no kugira ngo hakabanza habaho minister Karebe ko mu misho gishengero yagamba kubaza kuba abajemerize to suspended konka cabinet kwiyashitamire twareba bango bagira ngo egumizemu so tubabanza bayebuza katumeteka government atebire yahurra irakadiyitu hatkandi ke yagaruka umumani no muri nguri kogwe so Vincent Bekine is sharing opinions no muri nguri kogwe and you know umubanta abatwantu gamba narabanta abiri baririza loans right abantu baririza loans rabantu ababiri batire mu cyango munonga
neza PDM
yes neza PDM cyango munonga government abonye tarateka tekera hu yakubasa kubibatire ningo kuyakubasa kubahwera okugira ngo abo kuba undoubtedly the idea behind the trade order is nice tino myagano rukujanga tino myagano tari kwenda ururembo rutebekine Vincent nitwenda ururembo rutebekine tukujya mu turu kurwenda konka entwaza ichiriyo nchiba implemented the way it's being implemented ejonje kwanza chabiona echakabiri kujya mu taro option echakashatu abantu barahirwe bwire buri kumara echakana kugira ngo kare as this is happening in the meantime okuba preparing mwaza kwani mukora government yaza kwa supporting etena neti and then together we get to the NC ensubize nkuko abantu bakushira kugeta NC ensubize aho twine smart cities aho buri kimwe nakiri mu buteka bwacu umubigambo bya I think was Pastor Willie umuruciko rwa bibine akagira ati na Roma tabarajombekire runakurumwe konkamana gizere negaruga trade order abaze government katakoreba ne kosamanaga okutereza ubuhereza bwayo utatebeke no mwirwaro government kitakoza mani ngogamwe okudiscipline abantu abakwibesente za government the corrupt government kitakoza kegaresire gona kugateka aha trade order why
no government twirene gukora in all sectors government has been working onore problem ita tugira mu Uganda eberajuro n'ibirungi tibyo tubyina konko kubito mu nkora Bobo zono chumanya omunsi zona nangono yakuba Ugandeje kwiha 81 ka 85 ar 86 president Museveni na team ero kwiza kuzahuri hangeri hakabaho revolution obwiro bwingi revolution ke kwiza izana change revolution mara harimo kucara no kufa hate okuza kutereza enseje kuterera je nko kwano gambia trade order cities na nabantu ko batarara bwirwe nko cyano gamba a revolution must happen in order to have a change konka ekina na bagambire ho no kugira ngo hatabebembezi bamanye ngo abantu abakwiho mutahuni nke cyo wagamba bindi za kafuna bindi za loans nangu ine sense za PDM neza kubona bina byawo yanaka
and if my memory serves me right in ndeba mwatandikire kubanja hati
ari bikizo bwiri
na hano muri room ndebe
so binare it's now a role of these leaders bitu town clerk obakawo physical planning authority kurango bakora analysis nunjo mbantu na munonga ababari no biha streets baba teka myanya because baro kugira ngo bakafu ekindi kumanya omu areas na mnongo urban areas abantu abakubana bakorramo for example nka kanso nebe n'abantu ankabafite kachapa tubona umusite yona because imaho yine tenda iba kuba bine nene manya abantu abemba bakora za kiosks bafite cyane nk'imera mpanda
kana bo bashashurire nankeje za nankeje zo hine how do I bring it ekicho kuza kubaho hina abantu ababire biho mushoro aha abantu abo
because they had a tender
yes a tender
so nijani mayisa ngo hatabebembezi of course our list y'abantu mbabaro
yes
they should the gazette to them okwa government tebazibire ngo batagira ibabata na una government intureba in some areas for example hatwara nkibanda mu yibanda mu town y'ibanda na other towns bariyembenda ku expand ngo butare kubwombeka ari sente zizire ezikuza kubana zombe ko butarobo different areas no basa kujibwa mba mwabemba korombo tarobwe konka nabasa kuzamu extra prices z'abantu abo so hati njibanje bayisa ngo abebembezi babine list obutara kuzokira areas zibakwasa gazeti ngeza kuboneka hati babatiwe izakabaza takurebeka hati umukombe ko butarobo baba gazeti njire hemyanya bagamiza bono orukero basa kudirayinga mu bwire konko ijoga rico kigira yiwaza at least ogumero herezi ihangari yawe ni yorukweza family yawe government tekendaga kwita actually government ne ekora n'umuntu kandi umuntu akora na government
kwinaza muntu
government kandi kwinaza eteri kwenda umushoro because government ne ekora niwe wano ukura government ne ekora actually ko kuba mugiga munonga government birashimwe ngiga ahubwo no gerezo umushoro muringo so mwene ebyo byona no baho kugira ngo tutereze ensi yitu Uganda nkacho wano gamba government ya NRM ekizene strategic programs nyingi z'abantu abo kuba 40 years down the road abantu batamburira ate 10 points programs bakurira mu kishaka hateze mu 4 principles NRM nizo tutamburira ho twena nico kurebera nese za hero hatinize igomba Uganda so okutereza Uganda kwika maximum yo kugira ngo buri muntu wena giye gombe na Europe tuyino koreki kurango yensi yitu yabonera that's why ati cyo kurebera abantu umuntu abasa kwebuza tubishabwe enche bazo mbyaro the world now has united into a global village.
It's a global village, yeah.
Abakwa tu technology. Technology unites the whole world. Echikora echaro chumwe. Ejesha American haba kanto kareba hizorebere Trump umunanko mu White House cyabiri. Immediately tukatwachitunjira. So the technology has united this world into a global village. So obuchikuru a global village. Nijibanje manjango na nabantu abahansi kuri yabitweta becaro. Down Oronga in the village. Hapana bari umunsi na yeri ya development yechika cyayiguru. So cyo kuri trade order tekwigira ngo neko mu town honka. Akuba mugiga yane ndakora industrialization for example. Katugira ngo habonka zoning yakora industry let's say ya iron ore. Iron ore nturanka kabari iron ore ya man. Hatine kuza kabari it could be a village ter city. It's a town. So mwene ko yabe organized ni ya investor kombeka kuri yaki industry katujengu ya haba honki industry yebitoki for example baza nko wanje kagonje nari nkibanda they will not say ngweji because ahibare bo mwanya no bateka industry so longa sari organized so nico twendera ngo ensiona Uganda tine taho ne kuza gometari organized kandi nisha babo bushobozi nko kutwa abashabira abantu mbakwate mpora mu bararice mu bore cyo kubata dene cya kandi ece kirajuru ke cyatirwa mu nkora cugumizemo because no za kushanga twaheza gukora age process yona for example nka hambara atushanga bacapati bagarikira de kanku ga no tukasa program
I was following up on different cities umurimbare ecagambirwe minister kucarabera mu citi bamo bagaruko myanya yabo
even number
yes they have been taking their positions bagaruko myanya yabo
arkumanya ngucarugaho so they have to come back even areas akatete bakabashiremo so rujanje mayisango no butwakwika harevu yo kugira ngo kirajuru twachi implementinga cyaho hati enforcement egumize munerambura areas ezibakiriya ringiriza kiroho dera nekindi borobye mu musente harona nece cha abani planning ece cyo kombeka construction something kiriyoko mu area ya physical planning koraze kombeka obo ino sorte manya na nka provingireho hati washanga wembe kiremba za kufutera fine because abantu oburiyo bwire bumwe batakahwerize ki hatu wamutera fine no wamutamisensi instead guide them ko bakwasa kugira ibyapa abayombekire batabine babohero babore cyo muhanda ko kwasa kubitunga matero cost abo kuba turorebe ibintu byo nakaba habo privatization no shangara ko cyapa ari private entity yinkomu akusera ko kwaro kwenda so aseme kuba hore regulation tina kumugamba se kwaro regulation yo kuyamba ababo kombeka namwe no kwebyapa bakayamba physical planning koraje program yayo konke yambebwa habanta telus low cost atechizibu citu kajiro privatization icukurebero nkacukurebero cyamarwaro ga private tine muntu ari kuregulatinga kugira ngo umuntu arukora guruzumwe wa private asibekwana sashora minimum money uriya na kucharging ko kwakwenda because it is private so kwa when it comes to nkece chapa ebi byapa nko kucabire kirajuru buri muntu azibe kugira chapa reka kibe fomo umuntu agende ahikaha mwanya bamukorera chapa ati rejura money isente zikubasika batagire kusera abana neriza penalty ziruje
ntebekine Vincent haruho ibindi bintu ebina nagambire government erikushaka kwehuzia kandi nabyo very key abukwati no kutereza ndembo trade order katakarebe naruga yakadiye cyagambwa aha macundro gamajuta agariyo mnyanyiga tashemere kubagara
well atuno reba trade order
abokuba
you are right
those areas abokuba abo okurujira waza kutunga the entire plan noreba ngo haru petrol station eri umwanya ugwita shemere kutagizireta etarumu hinaho bashemere kuba bari boka mutabatiri humanya
no chumanyangu itekeri ya physical planning was introduced I think around 2011 something like that actually tukashanga eriteka kuza ku introduced ninga sikuteka hoje physical planning authority ezo eri yezo kugamba zikazabiru ama petrol station rugakambe rwagateta huni
nataka bacene bombe kagandi
nangu na wano reba na factories ushanga imyanya izuru muri ya it's waiting ushanga ni tarungi so atkakwiza kizere physical planning authority yabanza korekera juro how to govern this Uganda here Uganda ito bakugoverninga baza kora batamateka marongi go kubasa kuhereza ndembo right yabantu kunde ndembo zabo hatu nico kurebera trade order is implemented actually tikikuza koma wakurugamba za kuzamajwaga kuzira enjo kuzira ushange y'ubudongo rinkagati town zirumu muri mbarumu hati cyo ejenzo mbateka kwamba bagushenye kiryo mu trade order because town se yokane rebekaje nico kugira ngo in prot otakubasa kujombeka orebe mutahiwa wa inesente mujibagane mombe cyamwe mbagane enjo ninga ujiguza kubasa kujombeka so nijani kimanyisa ngo bariyene bagezeho kurete nteka yo kugira buri umuntu cyaharivuye wano orango yagateta huni ndafuteka ho rentos agateta huni har agateta huni mbena business umuntu aragece gegweze gure business agure chintwa atwata ho rentos wateka ho lodges hatu wa nota korachi matching na physical planning authority so mwana hati ebyo byona nebyo amazite byo kugamba abina mamashomera gatari yo myanya sembe kubane igarumu abina amajwa gatine standard agogona mbazaga kwata mu trade order tikujya no kubinga abashubuzi bo hari mu binje bigene bugaruka mu system kurango baboneze ndembe because smart city ina tokuranka ko kureba ejesha China ria standard yo kugira ngo gire gari yo kutambura umwanya that's a city
konka
that is technology
obuto anatanga program uri introducing the discussion yawe netambura munonga ari ba investor netambura munonga abantu abatari ba well not that we don't need investors ntubetenga abantu kubebe mpiha mu economy yitu tukareba economy yitu negireta netebekana konkana bo tukayebwa ihanga ngo niryitu abanya Uganda nutashoro musho abanya Uganda so omuriyebi interest yo munya Uganda is very well captured and represented ninga tutambura interests z'abanya mahanga
no of course interest yo munya Uganda is well represented one we have leaders ececera kuza kurwashaka kurwa leaders bitu abitu atireyo I don't know which year konka chikakorwa henyuma ababebembeza bachikozire bakaba bari yabebembeza bitu so ndati ubuchiriyo nchite ko munkora abembezi already tubini parliament yo kureba parliament niyo governing abanonga ihanga kwa niyo kurebera juru ejesha parliament yasitameka hinguze kintu president akukigambo biru basharamu
the president
assents
yabatatiye umukono
naya but still nabo babaheresire kintu ekikushasa abanya Uganda president nanakireba ngo iki kintu cyasasa abanya Uganda let's do it like this mwene bantu bareba ngo what is taking place is good to them because it don't wasagamba like analysts as people abokusasibwa abantu bitu but the leaders themselves bariya barga bakazafuro ya parliament ngo no you see prime minister because no head of business eche kintu kimento kitwazibwa kitana kiti abo kitakoma mendinga mhati tukakore kineki prime minister listens and even president listens so ni cyangwa manyisa ngo abebeza bituyine hati bariyo mfupingire strip if they are not seeing abantu kibakubashasha so njanje manyisa ngo
so mwene chikumanyisa ngo if we have not had the fountain of honor react akajechi yagamba ahakuna na kwanya Uganda we blame it on the leaders abamwetu abakumufeeding information tujangu they have not done their work
no work of course the Arab head is information and Arab contributing ideas someone can report mbara abantu mbagambeki like in the office of this or what konkari yo leaders abajangu no hata abantu nibendeki ogono mwembezi people mbajira ngo antuendeki batutumireki so njaje manisa nko kuchimusya people listens Uganda ne hurura abembezi mamba hurura and they make a decision in behalf of the people mbateka kuchera mabantu babo akono boko bebembera so I appeal kugira ngo abembeza bituyine nabo babe na nabantu babo echo kureberaho mbarara bakabinga abantu bingi Kachebeze na nkameya akajata ati tukaba twabagambira ngo icyo kintu nkiza kwiza ni ndidi Kachebeze akayabagambira ati something ati nkiza kwiza ati ne kikuza kwiza ati no kwetebekana zeta kune kintu ndenda kujiyonza Kachebeze said it koka kuyakigambire yes was a good that time was good to say because no mwebembeze then agaraka kuratire keba bihomu babataye guze nabantu bi hatogo nubwo webembeza abantu bakwenda kureba
so what's lacking no kugira ngo no kureba abebembezi bakoreka kuba amwena n'abantu
exactly
abantu kwatare no banyijibwa bonka
ati abakora ece kintu da technocrats Kao is a technocrat this physical planning team is a technocrat hat where the leaders no kureba technocrat team hat yone can be transferred this one raza Kao mbasa kumuyambara mutware bwejo konkiyo baronda waka ubatera karuru niyo shibikwana urwana nabantu urwanira abantu bawurebe ngo at least yes enforcement iza cyaragiro ciza but where you are people baza hati nkabita barubinda ba pasire muri inkwecho kurebera aho inkumanya muno bakazo mutwaro umubyaro za kagonje za kashare now hati njimanyisha ngo where the leaders baseme kuba for example atwine kizibu ko mwito mugomboro yanje bagetaka gonje don't have any market aho kugira ngo basa kutwara ekitucho cyugurize kugira ngo base kutwara ide ya ujugurize ne buzahandi bindi cyuruhura na handi so ato muntu ogo wabinga kaza kagonje ningo wakagonje washenya tayine katari so the leaders should also look into that areas zitine butare they should develop butare kugira ngo abantu bashobore mebintu byabo no birebire byamace konka bashobore mebintu byabo the government again ino garake karaiba aha kintu cha barabanta byabirihire sente za PDM abo kuba that's a very serious concern PDM yo banka negunza mune banza koze
interest ekwemerera
ijone agati between you na bank konka government can understand ebene manyang hata abantu babira affected abaye bari yo mutawuno nubanga abe bine business yo kutekemere nubanga abe mbateka chapati nubanga at least babahereze muka holiday babanze ba setting business zabo then they can come back for the payments konka bagira ngo hata babirukanze no kuretura umuntu yatamwensi so government also need to be advised the area ya baraba ku information abo agamba most na leaders even can raise their voices abantu bagire nabo kunde kintu cyabo nuko trade order tugenda nka tukumanyisa ngo umuntu yangi umwanyi sihangarye kace kara kuwabinga kuwambingaho nakaho kwiho school fees nakaro ku naho kushora rent nabona haru kurira so government ke kumutebekanisa leaders baza kumutebekanisa it can come back to life
bisa tebeki watwara kuri Mnonga. That's all the time we had. Shaziti zahwayo tuna kwasima abanywanyi banje abanywanyi bitu abo twatandukanye imwe ukusenaga majingo numwe bare Mnonga. I wanted to read this message yargo and ukamagara kugira ngo anshonga ya trade order jangu n'icyo mchambi kushanga minister kandi yahire position ye yabetari ya government konkana agira ngo ikintu kirondo kugira ngo bagaruzo butebekana omundembo zitu hamwe no kuzoninga business ngashokuta ikintu umwanya gucemire kwa kirumu ahabwendembo zitu no kubeautifying ngashokozo boneza agira ngo abantu bamwe basaka batashemerirwe na chenga konkana jangu sometimes we pay a cost for development to happen yabare Mnonga na mwena abantu batureba
cyamuheru no kugira ngo still government beneteka yo kwiza kongera sente mu small business owners small scale businesses
yes
government beneteka so kuba bari organized bari myanya yabo recognized bakehandikaje ikici president cyagambere then it means they will get money from the government direct then cyamuhero no kusima bambandeba ariyo munyanya zinatwara insikaho n'abantu bona bakunda program eji abo following and the Vincent nechi bina chitu chenaremo those people are watching and bamanyangu government is there for the people and people should be there for the government.
All right, yabare Mnonga. That's all the time we had. Tukuza kurenga hwaha ibyasigara hatiya tuwaza kuzo umupira kugwa Arsenal na Atletico Madrid sawa yo na kigozi mwitirize basibura hamwe barabona akora nabo champion boy ha camera and an entire team big team omu control room babare Mnonga. Thank you so much Evans, babare Mnonga, Amon, David Sarina nabandi na niyo abantu tureba twenda kwendeza birungi mukama akuturindire holiday makers, you welcome back home n'abandi mwena twenda kubendeza ko rungi Mnonga mukama turindire. Bye bye.